Hey everyone, welcome back to Manotick Stringworks. Glad to have you here. Please like and subscribe so I can make some more videos. Had a client contact me, said he had a guitar that needed some work, wanted me to look at it. So he dropped it off yesterday. Just check the gig bag, see what's inside. See what you find. Parts, pieces sometimes. Old strap lock button. And what else have we got here? Oh, trim arm. Not sure that's an original trem arm, but it's a trem arm nonetheless. So let's have another look at the guitar. So it's an oldie. Charvel by Jackson. So it looks to be a late 80s Charvel. Black body, maple fingerboard. It's got some wear, some dings. Nice big chunk right there, the upper bout. Been repaired at some point. Let's have another look here at the bridge. Yeah, it's a little rough. Some corrosion, dirt. Guitar's been played, that's for sure. And this is one of the reasons the client wanted me to look at the trem. It was pinned right down, so he wanted to see if we could get it floating again. That claw's drawn pretty much right up to the top of that cutout. There's another battle scar, the lower bout, nice big chunk. And there's the neck plate, Charvel, Fort Worth, Texas. This one's made in Japan. Locking tuners, I don't think they're original. The original hardware would have been black and not locking tuners. Just to look at the 80s headstock shape. See the way the strings fan out. So let's check the neck quickly. There's very little string tension, almost actually no string tension on the guitar. It's a Fender scale. And the neck was straight, very straight. So no string tension, it's very straight. Felt solid too, good piece of maple. So the frets are big, very big, jumbo. I don't think they're original. Maybe. Not sure of that spec. Could have been refretted at some point. But very little wear on them. Like I said, very big. Especially for the time. Nice. So here's one of the problems. This bridge is really corroded, as you can see. Screws holding it down, the saddle screws. Here's a shot in the back, the intonation screws. They're not as bad, but they're corroded as well. So we'll have to see what we can do with this. This is honestly the most corroded bridge I've seen in my shop. I'm sure there's been worse. So I decided before doing anything to see if we can loosen up these screws. So I'll just put some 3-in-1 oil in each of the saddle screws. Not a ton, but just enough. I'll do the same thing for the intonation screws and springs. And then I'm going to leave this sit overnight. And then I'll try turning those saddle screws. They really look rusted in place. A few of them really do. So the next day I just want to tune up the guitar and notice this. So the first string, the E, look at that nut slot. It's just wide. I don't know if someone tried to open up the slot or it's just over years of wear just decided to open up and wear away like that. But there's no way that E string's going to tune up. And the B string beside it's almost as bad. So I would definitely recommend replacing that nut. So here we are the next day. I'm going to check on a few of these screws that look like they could move. So some of them are moving easily. I don't want to force anything, don't want to strip it out. But here's a problem. That E string saddle, that's not moving. Neither of them are moving. Try the A string. That one moves. But its partner beside it, that's not going to move either. So I think we'll have to stop there on this guitar because I won't be able to do any adjustments on it. And it's not what the client was asking to be done on the guitar. And just for the hell of it, I decided let's check that trem arm. So not really meant for this trem. The threads are loose. It's not the original one. The original one would have been black, matching the hardware. And yeah, look at that fit. Yeah, so using that arm could basically just strip out the threads that are in the bridge or snap it off, who knows. So we're not going to use that. So we're going to leave this guitar as it is. I've contacted the client and let them know some of the issues, and well, sometimes you fix things, sometimes you let them sit. You let the client make the decision. So thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.